माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Honorable members, I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of Shri V. Ramanathan, a former member of this House, on the 10th of November 2016 at the age of 83 years. Born in March 1933 at Kozhiyur in Tamil Nadu, Shri Ramanathan was educated at the Annamalai University and the Law College, University of Madras. An advocate by profession, Shri Ramanathan served as a pleader for the government of Tamil Nadu. He also served as a member of the Senate of the Annamalai University and the Consultative Council of the Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. Shri Ramanathan represented the state of Tamil Nadu in this House from April 1984 to April 1990. In the passing away of Shri V. Ramanathan, the country has lost an able parliamentarian. We deeply mourn the passing away of Shri V. Ramanathan. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved family our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Papers to be laid on the table. Shri Ram Vilas Paswan.
महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1 पर अपने नाम के आगे उल्लिखित पत्र सभापटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्री रवि शंकर प्रसाद।
महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची की क्रम संख्या 2 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष उल्लिखित दस्तावेजों को सभापटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्री जगत प्रकाश नाडा।
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 3 of today's revised list of business.
Shrimati Smriti Zubin Irani.
Commission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 4 as per the day's revised list of business.
Shri Fagan Singh Kulaste.
मैं आपकी अनुमति से अपने सहयोगी श्रीपद नायक यूसुफ नाइक की ओर से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची की क्रम संख्या 5 पर अपने उनके नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेजों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्री पीयूष गोयल।
I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 6 of today's revised list of business.
Dr. Jitendra Singh.
Sir, with your kind permission, I beg to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 7 in today's revised list of business. Thank you, Chairman.
Shrimati Nirmala Sitaraman.
I wish to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name on serial number 8 in the revised list of business for today.
Shri Manoj Sinha.
मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची की क्रम संख्या 9 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष उल्लिखित दस्तावेजों को सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री मुख्तार अब्बास नकवी।
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against my name at serial number 10 in today's revised list of the business.
Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal.
Chairman, sir, on behalf of my colleague Santosh Gangwar, I rise to lay on the table the House the papers mentioned against his name at serial number 11 in the revised list of business. Thank you.
Shri Fagan Singh Kulaste.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची के क्रम संख्या 12 पर मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लिखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ।
Shri Ram Kripal Yadav.
महोदय, मैं आज की पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 13 पर मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा के पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूँ।
Shri Rajan Gohen.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 14 in today's revised list of business.
Shri Purushottam Rupala.
सर, मैं सभा पटल पर रखे जाने वाले कागजात के संबंध में आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 15 से 15(4) से लेकर B तक उल्लेखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ।
Shri Sudarshan Bhagat.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की राज्यसभा की पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सम्मुख मत संख्या 16 पर उल्लिखित पत्रों को सभा पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ।
Shri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Jayant Sinha, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against his name at serial number 17 in today's revised list of the business.
Shri Ram Kripal Yadav.
महोदय, मैं आज की पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 13 पर मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूँ।
Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 19 in the revised list of business for today.
Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey.
आपकी अनुमति से आज की पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 20 पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूँ।
Shri Ajay Tamta.
महोदय, मैं क्रम संख्या 21 पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख उल्लेखित कागजात को आज की कार्यसूची की संशोधित सूची के अनुसार सदन के पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Shri Mansukh Lal Mandavia.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 22 in today's revised list of business.
Shri Fagan Singh Kulaste.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से अपनी सहयोगी श्रीमती अनुप्रिया पटेल के ओर से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची की क्रम संख्या 23 पर उनके नाम के सामने उल्लेखित दस्तावेजों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Shri C.R. Chaudhary.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 24 of today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Dr. Subhash Ram Rao Bhambre.
With your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House a copy of paper mentioned against my name at serial number 25 in today's revised list of business.
Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at part 2nd in the today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce. Shri Joy Abraham.
Recommendations or observations of the committee contained in its 123rd report on export infrastructure in India, both English and Hindi, of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce. Thank you, sir.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Human Resource Development. Dr. Satya Narayan Jatia.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं स्कूल शिक्षा और साक्षरता विभाग मानव संसाधन विकास मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों 2016-2017 मांग संख्या 51 के संबंध में विभाग संबंधित मानव संसाधन विकास संबंधी स्थायी समिति के 280वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों समितियों पर सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई संबंधी 285वां प्रतिवेदन अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में प्रस्तुत करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forests. Shrimati Renuka Chaudhary. Shri C.P. Narayan.
Sir, I beg to present the following reports in English and Hindi of the Department-related Parliament Standing Committee for Science and Technology, Environment and Forests. 1. 292nd report on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the report of the Committee on Demands and Grants for 2016-17 and the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. And 293rd report on forest fires and its effect on environment, forests, biodiversity, and wildlife, and remedial preventive measures. Thank you.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology, Shri Suresh Gopi.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman, for giving me this opportunity. And I, with your permission, would wish to lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of the following reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology 2016-17. 1. 30th report on action taken by the government on the observations, recommendations of the committee contained in their 23rd report, 16th Lok Sabha on demands for grants 2016-17 of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. 2. 31st report on the action taken by the government on the observations, recommendations of the committee contained in their 24th report, 16th Lok Sabha on demands of grants 2016-17 of the Ministry of Communications, Department of Telecommunications. 3. 32nd report on action taken by the government on the observations, recommendations of the committee contained in their 25th report, 16th Lok Sabha on demands for grants 2016-17 of the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. And 4. 33rd report on action taken by the government on the observations, recommendations of the committee contained in their 26th report, 16th Lok Sabha on demands for grants 2016-17 of the Ministry of Communications, Department of Posts. Thank you, sir.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Narendra Yadav.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं विभाग संबंधित सामाजिक न्याय और अधिकारिता संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति 2016-17 के 32वें, 33वां, 34वां एवं 35वां इन प्रतिवेदनों की एक प्रति अंग्रेजी तथा हिंदी में सभापटल पर रखता हूं।
Report of the Committee on Empowerment of Women, Shrimati Rajni Patil.
Sir, with your permission, I beg to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 8th report of the Committee of Empowerment of Women 2016-17 on the subject Empowering Women through Self-Help Groups. Thank you.
Report of the Public Accounts Committee, Shri Bhupendra Yadav.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of the following report of the Public Accounts Committee. 16th report on the subject performance audit of dual freight policy of transportation of iron ore traffic in Indian Railway based on CAG report 14th of 2015. 61st report of the action taken by the government on the observation recommendation of the committee contained in the 13th report on global estate management by the Ministry of External Affairs. 62nd report on the subject Ratna and R series hydrocarbon fields. 63rd report on the subject administration of prosecution and penalties in Central Excise and Service Tax based on CAG report number 29th of 2014.
Reports of Committee on Public Undertakings, Shri Narendra Budania.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के समक्ष यथा सूचीबद्ध सरकारी उपक्रमों संबंधी समिति के 15वें और 16वें प्रतिवेदन को सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Report of the Committee on Welfare of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes, Shri Trichu Siva.
Sir, I lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 9th report of the Committee on the Welfare of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes on implementation of reservation policy and working of liaison officers to safeguard the interests of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes employees in various attached subordinate officers, organizations relating to the Ministry of Home Affairs.
Statement by Ministers, Shri Jagat Prakash Nada.
Of the provisions of Rule 266 of Procedures and Conduct of the Business, I wish to inform the House the status of implementation indicated in the statement being laid on the table of the House of various recommendations contained in 38th, 43rd and 52nd reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare on issues concerning the 3 vaccine-producing PSUs, namely Central Research Institute, Kasauli, Pasteur Institute of India, Kunnur and Vaccine Laboratory, Chennai.
Thank you. Shrimati Smriti Zubin Irani.
Sir, I rise with your permission to lay on the table of the House a statement regarding the status of implementation of recommendations, observations contained in the 18th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour on demand for grants 2016-17 pertaining to the Ministry of Textiles.
Rao Inderjeet Singh.
Chairman, sir, I rise to make a statement regarding the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 10th report of the Standing Committee on Urban Development on demands for grants 2016-17 pertaining to the Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation. The statement is laid on the table of the House.
Thank you. Honorable members, the 241st session of the Rajya Sabha that commenced, sorry, there is one more. Oh, it's been done. Mr. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, sorry. My apologies.
On behalf of my colleague Shri S.S. Ahluwalia, I rise to lay a statement regarding the status of the implementation and recommendation contained in the 25th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Agriculture on demand of grant 2016-17 pertaining to the Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, mentioned against his name, today's revised list of the business.
Thank you.